Hi, Naptime friends. It's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all doing good and having a good day. Today we're going to be doing another infinity pour with acrylics, so let's jump in and get started. I'm going to be using my Primal Flow pre-mixed pouring paint in Glam Red, Royal Violet, Plum Perfect, ink and gold, my favorite gold, and I have some Artisan Flow acrylic in white. That's just mixed up 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol. So I have my little cups here. These are just 6-ounce yogurt cups that I like to reuse. I try to reuse cups and stuff like that whenever I can, just because I don't want to be wasteful. So in my left cup here, I decided to just do red, gold, and white. So that's going to be kind of like my warm colored cup. And then in my other cup here, I'm going to use my cool colors. So a little bit of the white, the royal violet here, plum perfect, and some ink and gold. And this is an 11 by 14 canvas. And as I'm watching this and doing my voiceover, I'm realizing I put a ton of gold in this one, and you'll see at the end how much gold is in it, but it's okay because I love gold. If you guys watch my videos, you know that I'm a gold fanatic. So I'm going to take a little bit of the royal violet, not much at all, and just smooth it out with my gloved hand to break the surface tension here, and then we're going to get ready to do the infinity pour. This pour is so much fun. I know it's kind of like, oh, I don't know if I can get the hand motion right, but you can do it. Just practice off camera or practice on camera because it's fun to kind of see practicing too. And it makes some really awesome lines in the pours that I've seen. If you've tried the infinity pour, let me know down in the comments. I'd love to watch it. This is like my new favorite technique. I still love the paint kiss pours too. Those are a lot of fun. So now we're just going to go in and tilt. But look at all that gold, you guys. I was like, oh my gosh, I put so much gold in here. It's going to be like a gold bomb went off on my painting. But check out in the bottom right corner. You see how the glam red is selling up with the ink and gold? See that cell section right there? It's like, ooh, that's kind of cool. So I would say I filled my cups up with about 4 ounces of paint each, which is kind of a lot. I didn't, have any problems with it drying, but I would say 8 ounces is a good amount for 11 by 14 canvas. I usually try to do like 9 ounces for a 12 by 12. So, what do you guys like to use? Do you have a method for how much paint you like to use? Let me know down in the comments. Here I'm just trying to pour some of that red off. I wasn't loving the red section, so I was just trying to get some of that red off of there. I was really liking the royal violet and the plum perfect and the gold section. So I was just like, oh, I'm going to try to pour some of that red off of there. I don't know if I like this pour. I'll show you the dry results at the end of the video. Let me know if you like it, if you think I should re-pour it. You won't hurt my feelings if you say that I should re-pour it. I re-pour a lot of paintings. Some of my paintings have like 4 different pours underneath them, I swear. So I'm just still trying to get some of that red off of there. I wasn't too happy with the red section, but I love the purple section. And if you guys want to try the Primal Flow paint, I'll link all their information, their website down below, and you can use code NAPTIME for a discount. But here's the wet finish. See right here, this is my favorite section. And then down into the red. The glam red and the ink and gold is really pretty together. I just don't know if in this piece it went too nicely with the purple. But usually I love red and purple together, so I don't know. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. But you see these lines right here with the royal violet and then the white around it? They look like lightning bolts. I love that section. I love the corners, how they got like rings. It reminds me kind of like a planet or something. So I'll show you what it looks like when it's all dry too. And here we are. It's a few days later, all nice and dry, but look at how much gold is on there. It's so beautiful and metallic. I would definitely, if I'm going to keep this pour, which I don't know if I should re-pour it or not, I'm going to do a resin top coat on it because that will make that gold really pop. And there's a hidden heart right here. You see that heart in the red section? I always find hearts in my art. But I really like the lines on this one. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate you guys so much. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. And if you like the video, go ahead and leave me a like. And let me know down in the comments, do you think I should keep it or re-pour this one? Let me know. I was just trying to show you guys too what it looked like if you hang it up different ways. They say art is supposed to go flow left to right, top to bottom, so that would be like this. What do you guys think? Thanks for watching, you guys. I will see you on Friday for another video. Bye!